During the design phase, the decision was made to switch the high roof from a TPO design to a full metal deck design. So the architects were at a bit of an impasse because there's just not a lot of solutions that they're aware of for fall protection. Using your typical tieback stanchions, two issues were going to be, one, aesthetics, because you're going to have stanchions poking out through the roof where they're trying to protect the sort of billboard aspect of the roof. But then also the metal deck manufacturer was concerned about leakage. So they wanted something low profile that didn't penetrate through the roof. The perfect solution for that was the Harken Industrial Access Rail, because we're low profile, we're not penetrating through the steel, we can guard against leaks, and from an aesthetic perspective, I knew that Harken was able to colorize the system. And I walked the architects through Harken Industrial's rail options, and it was pretty much a no-brainer from that point. My name is Michael Elford. I'm with Innovative Commercial Building Solutions, or ICBS. We are the fall protection designer and supplier and installer for the FC Austin Stadium.
We specialize in the fall protection systems that allow individuals to access the facade of buildings.
On the high roof, your typical maintenance person is probably going to maintain the lightning protection. There's also a signage that's going to be up there, so making sure that that looks good. So any sort of maintenance up there, the Harken Access Rail will be used.
The install process was smooth and easy.
One thing I love about this product is the modular aspect of it. There's over 1,000 feet of rail here. But if there's ever an instance where the owners want to add more rail, that's something that would be so easily done.
When somebody first looks at Harken's access rail system, they question how smoothly the cars are able to travel. What you see is you can actually move 4 at a time seamlessly. That's how smooth the cars move along the rail, and that's what makes this system state-of-the-art.
When you click on, it is 100% hands-free. You almost forget that you're tied off to something.
When a system is difficult to use, as a maintenance individual, anyone that's wanting to access the roof there, you're going to try and find loopholes to not have to be tied in. Harken's system is a system that is not a pain to use.
You think about it once when you get on, and then you go about your work, which is an absolute necessity to maintain safety and compliance throughout, because oftentimes if the work isn't easily done with the safest protocols, safety starts to deteriorate.
Harken just allows you to focus on the job that's in hand and not fiddling with just any kind of fall protection system that you need.
My familiarity with all the systems that are out there, I really don't think there's a better product than what Harken Industrial has available to the market right now.